Beyoncé sneezed on stage, and everyone went crazy.
Bye-bye, Lash Curler. Rimmel's new 24-hour Super Curler Mascara. Holds curl for 24 hours. Bends lashes up and up. New 24-hour Super Curler Mascara.
Get the London look.
Hey guys, my name's Alan Sabulia and welcome to Amplify Now thanks to Rimmel London. The 34-year-old icon Queen Bee was performing her hit song Love on Top as a part of her Formation tour in New York City. However, she unveiled a move that we've never seen before. That's right, she sneezed. Who would have thought she's actually a genuine human who gets dust mites in her nostrils? But one of the cool things about this is that, of course, when Beyoncé sneezes, you've got a crowd of 45,000 fans screaming, "Bless you," which is pretty cool. And the singer responded with a giggle and then proceeded to slay the stage. Where's my 45,000 fans screaming, "Bless you"? Don't forget to share this video, and on the count of 3, let's collectively share a bless you to our fave. 1, 2, 3. Bless you, Queen Bee.